So we are here at Mood Eye, organized by IIT Powai Mumbai, and we have some few people over here. First of all, let me get thoughts of yours. Like, what is magic for you guys? What do you think about magic? Be frank.
Vanishing something and getting it back.
Okay. Nice stuff.
Unreal.
Okay, nice, good. So let's start some demonstration right now. We are in front of camera right now. So let's start few demonstration. I want someone to participate. Are you free right now to participate? Yeah, sure. Come. So you will be representing this crowd. Have you ever met before or something like that? No, it's the first time mostly. So normally in street magic, we are doing street magic right now because tomorrow I'm performing at 2:30 over the Escape Act, in which I put my life on the line to prove that even Indian artists can be on top level when it comes to magic, escape and all. So we are starting some demonstration right now. So what are your thought about magic?
Magic is just illusion, you know, play on someone's mind.
Okay, that's good. Let's start with that stuff, okay? You must be familiar with these stuffs. Like, we'll start with normal basic stuff with the cards, okay? So I got some cards over here. Have you ever met before?
No,
No, we haven't. Okay. So these are, you can come closer, more closer. Well, that's it. You can see that this is completely shuffled deck.
Yeah.
Okay. Still, I will give you stopper. Okay. Like to shuffle it?
No, it's alright.
It's alright. Anyone else? Just let's make it more clear. Cut as much as you want. Cut any part. Okay. Give it to me. Okay. I'm keeping it. So now it's shuffled.
Yeah.
Okay. So I might be right. I might be wrong. So it totally depends upon you. The success of this act. It's completely dependent upon her. What's your name? You say?
Mansi.
Mansi is here to help us all. Okay. I just okay. Sis, check it out. I just want you to ask me to stop anywhere. I mean, where you feel. Just make sure that deck is not finished.
Stop.
Yeah. Just touch any card. This one. Okay. Sure. Take it out, but make sure you are not saying it.
Yeah.
Not they are saying it. Okay. Okay. See, it might be any card from this. Okay. Can I have the? Ek minute, just give me the pack. Anyone would like to have this pack in their hand, or should I keep it? Achha, okay. That's great. You're not confident with or not supporting with me. Okay. You're holding. If you want, you can shuffle that also. If you want.
That's fine.
That's fine. Okay. Okay. Chalo. What I will do is my people are all over here. No one is there. I want to just have a peek of that card. Okay. Not here. I will turn around. And because the reason for doing this is that I'm performing one more act over there. That is X-ray eyes. In that, my eyes will be not only closed, my full face will be closed, and I will perform some features. So people ask me, can you see from through it or something like that? But it's not like that. It's like connection with each and everyone. I will use a medium, just like you are here right now. So something like that. Just check out that card. Okay. You done with it? Can you face that way? The crowd side. Okay. Can you touch my back? Okay. Okay. So now it's completely show that I'm not able to see that card. Okay. Okay. So I want you to think of that card. Okay. Okay. I'm getting your thoughts, but try to send me some different thoughts. Not able to properly concentrate. Okay. Okay. Acha, just think about. In your mind, just tell me whether it is a picture card or number card. In your mind, don't say with your words. Nor does anyone say it. Okay. Okay. Now I want you to concentrate on the suits. You know how many suits in the cards? Mansi?
Yeah, I do.
Acha, okay. There are club, heart, spades and diamond. Okay. Just think of your design, that suit. Okay. Go ahead. Okay, finish. What was your card? Can you just show? Four of spades. What are you thinking about?
Same thing. Whoa.
Cool. What was the card?
Yo.
You got it? What was your card? Jack of Clubs.
Mansi here. Spellbounding. Actually, I didn't know what happened, but this connection or something like that. That's what he said. It was good. Finally, good. That's all I can say.
Sneha, I'm from Indore. It was amazing to see that.
Hi, it is Biplab here. I'm an MTech student at IIT Bombay, and now this guy is really fabulous, I must say. He gave me a card which was not shown to him, rather I was seeing it, and it was Club of 3, and he really read my mind, and just awesome. I never saw such kind of such level of awesomeness, such level of talent within him.